Hey there, my name is Eddie, Multi-Man Services. We're here doing an estimate at a home in Elkhorn, Wisconsin. We got asked to do some cleaning on the deck boards here, outdoor window cleaning, and washing up the trim on the siding of the home. So I thought I'd introduce myself. I'm the owner-operator. I'm on every job. We do all the washing, and I thought I'd talk a little bit about how we go about getting your trim cleaned, your deck surfaces cleaned, your windows. And while I'm thinking of it, I'm also taking a look. Let me flip the camera around. There is a downspout that's has detached itself. And while we are here, I would be glad to make that repair for you. So just get a ladder out and reattach it. So when it comes to the deck cleaning, you got a lot of delicate surfaces here, the plastic vinyl trim. So we don't actually use high pressure to get this clean. We use a special chemical cleaner. It's sodium hypochlorite bleach. And when we let that dwell, it's safe for pets, plants, and the environment. When used properly, we take precautions necessary to pre-wet all your plants and post-rinse them and then treat them with a neutralizer to make sure everything is good to go there. So you can expect the best results with that in not having to clean with just high pressure. And that's the same for your hardy board house here as well. I know that you mentioned that you kind of wanted just to get the trim cleaned up and not necessarily having the whole entire house washed. So what we suggest is to just do an entire house wash, because if we only wash certain sections of the house, other areas of the house will look dirty very soon. So you can see this area right here and how it's starting to get dirty. I can't tell my cleaner to not clean things. So the moment I splash it here, it's going to make a clean spot. So we kind of have to wash everything. Composite deck here, we have a special process to get all this removed without having to use any high pressure. I can see that a pressure washer was used recently in the past to, scalp off the surface mold, but with our chemical, it actually seeps down into the pores of the wood, and it gets all that out really nicely. It might not do much for the rust, a little bit of rust on your chimney there, but that's a different process, and we can address that if you'd like. When it comes to cleaning your windows, we clean windows a little bit differently than most companies. We don't do soap and squeegee, which actually can leave a small residue of soap behind and attract dirt faster. But what we do, wash your windows with a water-fed pole. It's a special purified mineral-free water. When we scrub your outdoor windows, it makes your windows super clean and without any residue of soap. So it's like that last spot-free rinse of water when you're at a car wash. It's very expensive water. It's filtered. Changing of the filters is expensive, but it's really the best way to go about getting your house cleaned. I just need these screens here removed before we were to do the house wash. I think it's just these 3 or 4 windows here. I'd love the opportunity to get your concrete cleaned up here. I don't think it's ever been washed, and you'll be really happy with the results after we wash your concrete. A lot of different services that you can entertain us having to do. You may not be ready for all of them, but what I'll do is I'll create like a multi-service bundle discount package, and then you can possibly have us do everything here and get a decent savings. We market our company a little bit different than most. We, instead of spending a lot of money on advertising and radio, TV, review, while we're here, you can tell your friends and family about us, and also we'll give you discounts to help us market, like putting a yard sign in your yard, maybe with a video testimonial. So take a look at this quick video testimonial from another client before us, and we look forward to working with you. My cell, call or text me any questions, 815-520-6020. Thank you.
Eddie came out, gave us a quote, a video quote, which is really cool. We've never seen that before, and the price is right, and as you can see, they're doing an amazing job. I didn't think we'd see much difference getting the house clean, but it's noticeably different, and we appreciate the service, and I'd highly recommend hiring Multi-Man Service to do any of your house cleaning needs. It's November 18th today. The temperature outside is about 40 degrees, And I was a little worried about the cleaner doing its job, but as you can see, it's doing a fantastic job even in these temperatures.